Hey folks, hope you're having a great time. In this video, I'll show you the process of downloading, installing Snap, and updating its plugins. Snap is a powerful tool for processing satellite data, and with the right plugins, you can enhance its capabilities to better analyze and process satellite imagery. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to go to official website. Its link has been provided in the description. And if you wanted to search it on your browser, find the download step title. Now click on the download Snap. You'll be redirected to a page that includes all the details and information about the software. As written, the current version is 11, which is the latest one. So I have to download the 11 version. If you're using other operating system like Linux or Mac, you can download the related version. Since I'm using Windows, so I download the Windows version. And if you need an older version of the software, at the bottom you can access previous versions from this page. But for now, I'll go with the latest version. So I get back. You may wonder what are the Sentinel toolbox, SOMS toolbox, and all toolboxes. I have to say, these are certain versions that each one has their own specific toolboxes. If you download the software from All Toolboxes section, the software will contain the two above toolboxes. So you can click the main download for Windows to start downloading, if you're using the Windows. Since I've already downloaded this software, so no need to download it again. Now let's open the download file to begin the installation. Here, click the next button. Then accept the agreements and click next again. There are two options here. One deletes all Snap user data and the other one deletes internal configuration only, which is recommended, so I let it as default and click next. Since we need all the items, so click next again. One more time, click next. And after a few minutes, the software was installed, so click next, then finish. I wait for the snap to appear. As soon as you enter the software, the plugin installer opens. There are various plugins available, so let's click next to install them all. As you saw, the number of plugins were too many, so it'll take some time to download them all. Be patient and wait for a few minutes. The plugins were downloaded and a message popped up which says restart the application to complete the installation. Now, from the toolbar, go to Tool menu and select Plugins option. In the Plugins window, you can see the downloaded and installed plugins or update all the desired plugins. So, if you needed any plugin, just find it and install it. Here, I restart the software to complete the installation. As you can see, the software version is 11 and it is the latest version. Some new sections might pop up in the interface, depending on what you installed. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded, installed, and updated all plugins in Snap. We've made lots of detailed video about Snap, so check out the playlist linked in the description, it's all there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. And let me know in the comments what you're using Snap for. See you in the next one.